Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to connect your Square account to your GoDaddy website so you can accept payments quickly and easily. So here guys, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and of course open your website editor by clicking edit website. And inside the website editor guys, you can go to your store or settings tab, then choose payments. So here and just scroll down to find Square under payment options and then click connect. And then here guys, you can log into your Square account and allow the GoDaddy to connect. So this links your Square payments to your GoDaddy store. And once connected guys, you will see a confirmation and make sure to save or publish your changes. Now you can visit your site and test the checkout to make sure Square is working as your payment method. And that's it, guys. Your Square account is now connected to your GoDaddy website. Like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.